What if I told you that just 1 hour, not one day, not 1 month, but just one single hour can change your life? It sounds simple, maybe even unrealistic. I used to think the same. I believed that success needed big plans, long study hours, and high motivation. But the truth was, I had none of that. My days were normal, or maybe worse than normal. I used to wake up late, check my phone immediately, scroll for hours without any purpose, and keep telling myself, I will start later. But later never came. And at night, when everything became quiet, I felt something heavy inside me. Guilt. I had dreams, big dreams, but I had no action. I was not tired because I worked hard. I was tired because I wasted my time. One day, while watching a random video, I heard a simple line that changed my thinking. If you can't control your whole day, just control 1 hour. That sentence stayed in my mind. It was simple, but powerful. For the first time, I felt like maybe I don't need to change everything at once. Maybe I just need to start small. So that night, I made a decision. Not a big promise, not a complicated plan. I just said to myself, tomorrow I will give 1 hour to my life. Just 1 hour. No excuses. The next day, I woke up and sat down with a timer. 1 hour. It didn't feel exciting. It didn't feel powerful. In fact, the first few minutes were very uncomfortable. My mind kept telling me to check my phone, to get up, to do anything else. I felt restless. Even sitting in one place felt difficult. The first 10 minutes felt like 1 hour, but I didn't move. I told myself, just stay, just complete this 1 hour. Slowly, after some time, something changed. My mind became calm. My focus started improving. By the time the 1 hour ended, I felt something new, something I had not felt in a long time. I felt proud. It was not because I achieved something big. It was because I finally did something I promised myself. That feeling was powerful. So the next day, I did it again. Just 1 hour. And then again. And again. Slowly, that 1 hour became a habit. It became my power hour. In that 1 hour, I started studying properly. I practiced English speaking. I read books. I learned things that actually helped me grow. And the best part was, it didn't feel overwhelming. It didn't feel like pressure, because it was just 1 hour. Days passed, and I started noticing changes. My focus became stronger. My understanding improved. My confidence slowly came back. I started speaking better English. I started thinking more clearly. Even my daily routine improved. I began waking up with a purpose. I stopped wasting so much time on my phone. I didn't become perfect, but I became better every single day. Weeks passed, and now I could see the difference clearly. My life was not the same anymore. Not because I worked 10 hours a day. Not because I had some special talent, but because I gave 1 hour consistently. I realized something very powerful. You don't need to control your whole life at once. You just need to control 1 hour. That 1 hour can build discipline. That 1 hour can create focus. And that 1 hour can slowly change everything. Now, no matter how busy I am, no matter how I feel, I don't skip my 1 hour. Because I know that this 1 hour is not just time. It is my future. It is the time where I invest in myself. It is the time where I grow. You don't need more time. You need more focus. You don't need big changes. You need small, consistent actions. Start with 1 hour, just one. And one day you will look back and realize that 1 hour changed your entire life. Because success doesn't come from doing everything. It comes from doing one thing every day.